I'm Yogendra. Um, so I have like a busy schedule in my city life, and so I thought of like making some solo trip, and I was looking at all these videos where people travel, people stay alone. So one of the video I came across was about this place. So I thought of like why not try this, and I wanted to make this solo because I wanted some kind of like a silence, alone, so I can basically think of different out of the box and all those like things. So I made a booking here, and I was very excited, to come to this place and experience this. I came here. I met Ketanji. Pranav was, coordinating over the phone. But the moment I reached here, I mean, I was traveling from Rushikesh to this place. All this place is like a beautiful place. It's like a, I mean, for me at least, is a heaven. So the moment I reached here, I saw this place, a very old house, a very quiet. I never actually experienced this kind of like a quietness in any place. Of course, I traveled in Himalayas, but this was like a very unique travel. I would like to basically, share you the experience that I had. So definitely, one thing is there, the silence. Even in the daytime, you sit very quiet, and you experience the silence here. Of course, there are like many other things like Ketanji basically cultivates all the vegetables in his field. We have the very natural food here. That is the real greatness about it. The food, whatever you taste here, it's really good. We had done some activities during my stay here. So we had like a track, to nearby places, which was really exciting. I had never actually had seen this kind of a pristine places anywhere. The track was really thrilling. We had like almost like 6 kilometer of track, and the on the way we could see really beautiful places there. So so it's like, even if you see in those videos, you really need to experience here by staying in this place, and taking that experience, because seeing something in the videos and experiencing by yourself is something very different. So that's something like my experience. Of course, I mean, one of the experiences like yoga. So when I was doing this yoga, I mean, I was actually completely new into the yoga. Ketanji taught me about like something, how the yoga to be practiced. I'll tell you, the silence that you hear, and you, well, when you are practicing yoga, I mean, that kind of like experience you will never get. There are trees here. You can hear the sound of trees. You can hear the cricket sounds. I mean, it is really great experience. um, uh, Most of the time it was like a sunny. The last 2 days it is raining, so I could basically experience the all weather over here, and the weather definitely is fantastic. If you want to something, have a different experience other than those like typical stays what you actually experience in resorts, and like those luxury places, and those you know different tents on those things, I would definitely recommending one of the stays for you here. So it was great. I mean, I would like to basically extend my travel here. I mean, stay here, but yeah, I mean, I have other these things. So definitely, this is a great experience for me. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for coming, sir. So I hope I will see you again soon.
Absolutely. I mean, this is a lovely place. I would really remember and all the moments that I experienced here.
Thank you for coming.
Great.
And there is one thing. You have stayed with us and lived the way we live. So, what do you think? Can this place be helpful for the younger generation, the new generation that we have? Huh?
Of course, yeah, definitely. I mean, definitely younger generation can benefit, like you know, like the independence that you have, right? So you independently do all those like things, working in the fields,
Mm.
cooking yourself, how to live in this kind of like places. These are the things youngsters can learn out of it.
Yes.
Right. So definitely, and of course, I mean, elders, they need like something a different experience. So they have all these. See, the whole thing is like experiencing this like old houses, staying in these houses. You stay actually in the wild. So everywhere you see nearby, everything is a wilderness. So that's like a really great about it.
So, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
See you.
Sure.
Hari Om.
Absolutely. Hari Om.
Safe travels.
Yeah. Thank you.